structures. So over time, they get more developed with different structures, and well, evolution is just gonna like keep happening, like more.
Forgot my lunch.
It's gonna keep happening more and more, and it's not gonna stop because we keep evolving like a lot. Yeah.
Okay, so this right here could be a primary example of adaptation. As you can see, this is a duck, a female duck. She's giving birth. We saw some eggs under her, and as you can see, her feathers are brown, just like the ground under her. The dirt is brown, and this could be adaptation. This is a good way for her to not be seen by predators. Almost like camouflage. See, just look at her. Oh my God! It's back up there.
Extinction is when a species die off, such as the sea monster. And for example, we could say the Thalassamadon. They don't live anymore, except these like fossils that they left. Extinction.
Fitness, or Darwinian fitness, is an organism's ability to survive and also to reproduce in an environment. And as you can see, look at this duck. Well, that duck right there just outran or outflew Ricardo, so it escaped from its predator, and that's its ability to survive. It can easily get away from its predator, and because of this, that duck can reproduce, and the population of ducks in this lake will be very large. You can see there's actually plenty of ducks around here, and that's fitness.
The remains of a species that is now preserved into rock, sand, or dirt. Alright, so as we have here, it could have been a baby T-Rex's footprint or something like that, preserved into dirt, and yeah.
Natural selection is the key mechanism to evolution as explained by Charles Darwin, the scientist. And what it is basically differences between animals and their ability to reproduce and survive in an environment. And also it's a measure of interchange of traits of different animals in the population over time. And natural selection can be compared to artificial selection, which is now known as selective breeding. Coevolution is basically when two organisms evolve off of each other in an equal way, and this also affects their genetic compositions. This is sort of like mutualism in a way for evolution, but as you can see, here's an example of coevolution as pollinators compete for the plants to pollinate in, and plants compete for their pollinators, and there are many other examples of coevolution.
The differences between homologous, analogous, and vestigial structures is that in the homologous structures there's an organ or bone that looks different but works the same, such as in cats and humans. Their limbs look completely different, but they work very similar. In analogous structures, there is an organ or bone that looks similar and it works the same, but the two species have evolved differently. In vestigial structures, such as in whales, there is an organ or bone that there's no purpose anymore. Like in humans, there's the appendix. We don't even know what it's used for.
Oh hi, didn't see you there. Hey guys, so today we will be. Oh, cut. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god!
But
Go.
extinction is the process of when species that die off and they leave fossils, such as like this dragon thing. It's like not living anymore. We don't even think it lived.
Cut.
Evolution.
It's
When
extinct.
Extinction is when a species die off and they leave remains, such as this dragon thing that does not live anymore.
Oh my god.
The differences between homologous, analogous, and vestigial structures is that in homologous structures, there's an organ or bone that looks different but works the same, such as in cats and humans. Their limbs look completely different, but they work very similar. In analogous structures, there's an organ or bone that looks similar and it works the same, but the two species have evolved differently. In vestigial structures, such as in whales, there is an organ or bone that there's no purpose anymore. Like in humans, there's the appendix. We don't even know what it's used for.